Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram text or messages. It's pretty simple to do it. You can hide them, and then when you want to unhide them, I'm going to tell you how you're going to do it. So first thing you need to do is to go to your inbox. Now what you need to do is to select the chat that you want to hide. Tap on the chat. Then tap on the name of the person. Then you need to tap on the three dots right here and you will find the option restrict. So once you restrict that person, tap on restrict again, and now you will not find that chat right here. So you will be thinking that maybe you have deleted it, but not. So you can restore the chat by tapping on your profile right here, tapping on the three dots. Then you need to scroll a bit where you will find how other can interact with you, and here you will find the restrict option. Once you tap on it, tap on next. Here you will find the person which you restricted. Tap on unrestrict, and now if you go back to your inbox, and you can see the chat is again visible here. So guys, this is how you can hide chat or text on Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.